Alright you guys, so I am going to do a quick little unboxing on this valve cover gasket, and this is for my wife's Toyota Camry 2006. Comes with the gaskets, and then it comes with this silicone gasket right there, or a silicone gasket maker. Alright you guys, so it looks like I don't have to set it out in the sun. This is pretty good quality, you guys. Comes right in shape, and that's it. So there you go. Quick little unboxing of this valve cover gasket. Look, it's cracked. You could crack it. Just like little gaskets as well.
Yeah. It's inside. See, they are inside, and this here. Yeah. That's the other one. There you go. See that? There you go. You got one down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is number 2. Number 1. All right, you guys, so it has been a few weeks now, and there is no oil leaks. We have no leaks, you guys. Now, with the old gasket, it was leaking some oil a little bit, but as far as this one goes, nothing there. This looked like something, but I don't think that's oil. All right, no, I don't think that's oil, but going all the way around, and everything is looking good, you guys. Can't really get you back there unless I had my action camera, but just wanted to give y'all a final update on everything. So everything did go well with this this valve gasket kit. So yeah, it was a little tough putting the putting the silicone on there, because they only give you enough to do the exact amount, you guys. So if you have strong hands, you're good to go. If you have weak hands, it's going to be a little bit of a struggle. So I advise you to get some more silicone gasket maker. That way you can have extra in your arsenal. But other than that, that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.